Hey, let me show you the LTE plus speed on the Redmi Note 13. So let's start it. Now we've got the latency. There we go. Now right now it will be the downloading speed. Here we can find the results. So first we get the delay, and the downloading is also almost finished. There we go. So it's around 51 megabytes per second, and the upload, it will be probably around 2. So we have to wait. And yeah, it's finished right now, so we have to wait for the results. This is the summary of the results, so it appears just right here. So yeah, this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.